Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to set up an antenna on a Roku TV. Let's go. Connect the antenna cable to your Roku TV. Open Settings, TV Inputs. Choose Antenna TV or Live TV. Start finding channels. After that, the Antenna TV or Live TV icon will appear on the home screen. That's it. Now you know how to set up antenna on a Roku TV. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.